Raptor XC. The Raptor XC is the latest offering from Hunter Nature Caravan in Turkey. Despite its compact appearance, this trailer provides everything necessary from a comfortable stay. It includes a separate sleeping room, a dining area, a kitchen, and isolated bathroom. The camper's design allows for additional space by utilizing a sliding compartment in the back. The Raptor XC combines the capacity of fully fledged family camper with the advantages of a compact trailer. During its development, Hunter Nature Caravan drew inspiration from the construction technologies employed by American and Australian companies, known for their durable and reliable campers. As a result, the Raptor XC features a steel chassis, independent suspension, and a multi-layer aluminum body. The price for this camper is approximately $44,000. BaseCamp. The American company Built has devised a method to expand the luggage compartment of an SUV, turning into a comfortable outdoor living space. BaseCamp is installed on the roof of the car, replacing its functioning like a lift. When unfolded, the interior space is divided into multifunctional areas, with the bottom one serving as storage and the upper one transforming into an additional bed. When folded, BaseCamp is only 8 inches high, minimizing the impacts on a car's dimension. The cost to equip the car in the way is $14,000. Fire Tower. Thanks to the product of the Belgian company Arnold, making a fire away from civilization is no longer a challenging task. The Fire Tower is a folding burner made of stainless steel, compact and lightweight at 1.6.5 pounds. It can be conveniently carried in a backpack. The device is designed in the form of a tower for a reason. This helps ignite the flame faster by facilitating natural airflows. The tower shape allows an air pocket to form inside, increasing the temperature and the flame, reducing the amount of smoke. The fire tower is suitable for cooking and heating, is priced at $89. The BUNDL. This is the world's first smart sleeping bag, designed to work with a mobile app and capable of autonomously adjusting the internal temperature. The BUNDL sleeping bag comes with and equipped with its own battery that requires charging before the trip, offering a full charge to power the heater for 4 nights. Additionally, a built-in solar panel extends its usage. Special sensors monitor the bag's internal temperature and control the heating elements to maintain the user's set temperature via the mobile app. Notably, the sleeping bag features 3 heating elements, each individually adjustable. The price starts at $300. Rapid Rope. Rapid Rope offers a practical and efficient solution for outdoor enthusiasts, especially during hiking trips. This compact dispenser comes with 120 feet of rope neatly stored inside, addressing the challenge of carrying rope without it getting entangled. One notable feature is the built-in blade in the dispenser's lid, facilitating quick and easy cutting of the rope to the desired length. Who sets the Rapid Rope apart as its versatility, demonstrated by its ability to handle weights up to 100 pounds. This makes it a reliable tool for various outdoor scenarios, adding an extra layer of convenience for users who may require durable and easy accessible rope during their adventures. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or outdoor enthusiast, Rapid Rope proves to be a valuable and space-saving addition to your gear. Its practical design and robust functionality make it a dependable choice for those who prioritize efficiency and preparedness in their outdoor activities. NEMO Heliopolis. Heliopolis by NEMO equipment addressed the common challenge for privacy during outdoor activities, particularly on hikes away from the urban comforts. This portable shower solution comes with a compact form, neatly fitting into a small bag, measuring 27 inches in length and weighing a mere of 8 pounds and and 7 ounces. What sets Heliopolis apart is its easy of assembly, requiring only one person and no specialized tools. This portable shower unfolds to create a secure and private shower cabin, providing a personal space in the great outdoors. A package includes all the necessary components for quick and straightforward installation. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking both convenience and privacy, Heliopolis offers a practical solution. Priced at $250, it serves as a portable and reliable shower option, enhancing the overall outdoor experience. Escape M4. The Escape M4 tent, crafted by the manufacturer with meticulous attention to detail, stands out for its unique feature. Notably, its flexible and adjustable designs allows user to transform it into a fully enclosed, isolated space or conversely into a small awning, offering abundant sunlight and fresh air. The transparent inserts in the roof serve a dual purpose, allowing natural light to filter in during the day and offering a view of starry sky at night, all while maintaining a warm and cozy interior. Equipped with a built-in floor and awning to keep water out, the Escape M4 ensures a comfortable shelter in various conditions. Additional amenities include plentiful interiors and exterior pockets, enhancing convenience for users. With price starting at $300, this tent represents a versatile and well-crafted option for an outdoor enthusiast. QuiteLite Quick Cabin. QuiteLite, an American company, introduces a revolutionary system, enabling the construction of a complete home within hours. This innovative approach utilizes lightweight modular panels, seamlessly interconnected using a standard or electric screwdriver. The resulting single-story structure measures 10 by 10 feet, and the cone-shaped roof design provides ample headroom, allowing occupants to stand upright and 7 feet and 6 inches. The cabin features a functional swinging door and multiple modules equipped with windows for optimal natural light. The panels boast structural strength and excellent insulation thanks to the specialized foam filling. This efficient building solution not only accelerates the construction process but also ensures a well-insulated and comfortable living space. With prices starting at $7,500, QuiteLite system presents an affordable and quick alternative for those seeking an easily assembled durable home. GoSun Chest. The Chillest, a genuine portable camping fridge from the American company GoSun, offers a refrigeration solution without the need for ice. Priced at $900, it operates on batteries, electricity, or solar panels, which can be acquired separately for an additional $200. The fridge features a cleverly designed case with practical details, including a telescopic handle, a built-in bottle opener, hooks for hanging bars, and flat lid that doubles a cutting board. The adjustable temperature range from inside its chillest spans from -4 to plus 68 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for various camping needs. HydraPak Expedition 8L. HydraPak, an American company, introduces an Expedition 8L, a water transport container designed as an alternative to conventional bottles, especially suitable for camping. With a capacity of 2 gallons, it features a convenient handle for easy carrying and 2 interior dividers for added stability. Despite its durability, the container remains lightweight, crafted from robust yet flexible material. The wide neck facilitates quick drawing or pouring of water, and the lid includes a hole for attaching a tap. The Expedition 8L is priced at $60. Tera. The Tera mini power station, developed by the Chinese company 70My Technology, provides a reliable solution for the on-the-go power needs. After a brief 2-hour charge, it can deliver up to 1,000 kilowatt-hours of power. This capacity is sufficient to run various devices such as blender for 3 hours, a mini fridge for 14 hours, an electric fan for 21 hours. The Tera can also power a light bulb for 64 hours or brew 30 to 45 cups of coffee in a coffee maker. With its compact size, the gadget is versatile and can be solar powered, extending its operational capabilities. The starting price for the Tera mini power station is $922. SEPTEM. This portable, foldable grill is crafted from titanium, material known for its natural resistance to germ formation on surfaces. SEPTEM enhances the experience of roasting, grilling, and even boiling over a campfire, providing convenience and durability. The product is available in 2 models, catering to 1 or 4 people, with weights of 7 or 14 ounces. Prices for the SEPTEM range from $36 to $52, offering a versatile and high-quality solution for outdoor enthusiasts.